Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, your host, and I just want to show you guys our new leach field manifold. So we're still going to offer the old style because it's an easier dig. You see, you don't have to dig out as much. So this manifold for a small water problem would distribute the water throughout your yard. We went ahead and we asked Baughman Tile to make us some high octane knife cut for leach fields. And I'm happy to announce that they did. So look at the high octane leach field manifold. Look at the difference. So if you have a serious water problem and you're pumping the water to a leach field, everybody always says, where do you take the water to if there's no storm drain? Well, we take it to a leach field. And I've done a lot of videos on leach fields, and there's going to be a lot coming up, so stay tuned for that. But this is the High Octane Leach Field Kit, and you could either purchase it with one coil of the knife cut, and you'll just, divide it up in quarters and have 25-foot runs, or you can go with the 2 coils of knife cut, and that way you can run 50-foot. And this is something you could install with a trencher. So what do we gain by this? We gain a lot. So we got the high octane yard drain pipe. We know this is the strongest single wall pipe on the market. Then we have this manifold. We have spaced out the chambers that are going to hold water, because that's what a leach field does. You have chambers that hold water. You pump all your yard water or your sump pump discharge line water to a leach field, and it'll fill the runs. The chambers will fill full of water during a rain event, and it'll slowly soak into the soil. So having a bigger manifold will help you distribute that water over a larger area. So it's a huge advantage. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to make this announcement that we now have a high octane leach field kit for you guys. All right, everybody. Until that next video.